Hello everybody, my name is Peter and this time I would like to model a ball bearing. I start with a sphere. I make it 24 sides but only 10 segments and 5 millimeters in all the dimensions. Apply. Let's hit the A key so we see what we did. The tab key so we get out of subdivision, which is the default with spheres. Now let me start with a thing which I believe is called the cage. So I select some polys in here, some in here, hit the L key, Control C to copy this, N for a new mesh, Control V, copy this into the new mesh. Now I go to top view, hit the R key and enlarge this 1%. Yeah, that sounds good. Drop the tool. Now I go to polygon, thicken on the blue handle to the outside, maybe so. Drop the tool, top view again. Then I can get rid of this half here and I select all these edges, hit the W key and bring them in maybe 0.1 millimeters. Now 0.05 millimeters and do the same here, W key, 0.05 millimeters. Drop the tool. Now I go to perspective and I don't need to see this mesh here. Deselect these two edges, then I can go to edge, bridge them together, do the same here, select all these edges, deselect the top and the bottom and bridge them together. Now I can add some edges here to make it hold, not these many, maybe 2, and symmetry like so, and I do the same. Now I do an add loop on the top here and the same here on the bottom. Drop the tool, deselect everything, top view. Now I need to cut in some edges, so Shift C, about the same thickness as our material is right now, like so. Drop the tool. I can now take this, Control X, go to the original mesh, go to the side view, Control V. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks not bad. Actually, there is... no, that's okay. Okay. Now I bring in the grid. Go to the front view, hit the W key and bring this all up 25. No, I make 30 millimeters. This is something which is really very helpful. If you have numbers which you can remember, you will see later. Now, deselect the tool, go to duplicate, radial array, count of 12 around the set. Action center is origin. Yes, that looks right. Now I can get rid of all these and hit the delete key. I hide this one, go perspective view, and now select these 4 polys and shift select these 4 polys, and then right click on the selection and activate the bridge tool. And let me get rid of this helix generator. If someone from you knows why this helix generator never goes away, please let me know in the comments, because sometimes it's pretty annoying. So same here. Up arrow key, and do the same again here. Shift click, 2 polys, then up arrow key, right click and bridge. Now let's see how this looks. Well, that's not so bad. I select an edge in here, one in here, Alt C with a count of 3 and symmetry. Bring this out like so. Drop the tool. Now how does it look now? Getting better, but we still need something in here. Alt C with a count of 2, symmetry maybe 10%, that's okay. And the same here. Alt C. Good. Now I can get front view and go to poly mode, select these polygons, shift select these and delete them. Unhide the ball. Now I can select everything, go to duplicate, radial array, count of 12, around the set, action center, origin, and this looks good. Now I can go to vertex mode, merge, automatic, yeah. Now I go to perspective again, select this side of the cage and go to duplicate, mirror across the set, apply, drop the tool. That looks nice. So here is our inner part. Now we just have to do the outer part. But before we do this, there is something I forgot. Let me go to basic mode. Let's make a circle with 8 edges, exactly here. Let's make it about 0.5 and 0.5, and maybe 1.0. Drop the tool, perspective, let's see, that's a bit small. Hit the R key, action center automatic, and make it a bit bigger, like about so. Drop the tool. Now I select this face and this polygon, hit the B key, bevel it in on the red handle, shift, drop the tool, Alt C here, count of 2. So that could look like a rivet. Now I select this one, go to the front view, and we do it again. Duplicate, radial array, 12, good, and our rivets are in. Now the outer part follows. So let me see from what side. From this side. I go into this empty mesh. Keep this one. No, we don't need this one. Not for the time being. I go to the middle here. I know that our balls have a diameter of 5 millimeters, so I will make a profile, and I need 24 here, and the helix generator of course is still here, and make this 5 by 5. No, I must make it a bit bigger. Let's make it 5.2 by 5.2 millimeters and center it here. Drop the tool. Sorry. I said 24 sides, not 8. So 5.2 by 5.2 and 0 here. Drop the tool, and now I can bevel this in by 0.2, and now we have a hole which is exactly a radius of 5 millimeters. Now let's make a square around this. So, no, that's too big. About so. Yes. No, a bit too small. So I make it 20 by 14 and put everything in the middle. Drop the tool. Now I can Alt-C. I make this quite big on purpose, so we get nice round edges here. Make this a bit smaller, like so. You see we get nice round edges here. And now I can delete the middle part. And we have 24 edges here. We have 4 edges in here, so I need another 5 on each side. So edge tool, select this, Alt-C, count of 5 with uniform, click, drop the tool. And now I can bridge these two together, so edge, bridge, drop the tool.